Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy some text file from image. Okay, so you can see I'm using iPhone and let me go some photos. You can see this is the image file and this is error message of HP battery alert. So I need to copy this text from here to somewhere else. Okay, so you can see on the bottom right corner there is some scan bar. Okay, you need to press the scan bar and you can see it's already selected, so you need to press hit press and you can select all and then you need to press again. Okay, let me press again and then copy, and you need to go to notes, open a new note, and then you can press here. You can see all the messages, all the text is copied here. Okay, so you can see it, this text was on my image file and I have successfully copied this text from image to my notes. Okay, so this is how you can copy uh, any text from your image file to notes or anything anywhere else. Even you can copy to your Gmail, WhatsApp, or some other places also. So this is how you can do that. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.